Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your name on Facebook. First, open your Facebook app or website and tap on the menu icon, usually 3 horizontal lines. From there, find and select Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can manage your account details and preferences. It's a straightforward process to get started. Once in Settings, look for the Account Center at the top and tap on it. Within the Account Center, you'll see an option for Personal Details. Tap this to access your profile information. Here, you'll find your current name listed. Tap on your name to open the editing screen, where you can make the necessary changes to your display name. Now, you can enter your new first name and last name into the designated fields. Remember, Facebook has specific rules about name changes, such as not being able to change it again for 60 days after this update. Make sure your new name adheres to their guidelines. After entering your new name, tap Review Change to proceed to the final confirmation step. On the review screen, double-check that your new name is spelled correctly and appears exactly as you intend. You might also be given options for how your name is displayed. Once you are satisfied with everything, tap the Save Changes button. Your name will then be updated across your Facebook profile. Congratulations, you've successfully changed your name.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.